Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name's Matt Johnson. This is the Deep Planet, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the fork legs on your motorbike. We've got some upside down forks that we're going to be putting back into the thing. If you're new to my channel, I've been custom building an ER6N, ER6F Versys hybrid. So we've got the suspension off the Versys and we've put that into an ER6N body and made a few little customizations there. So have a look at the rest of my channel, like this video if you have a moment, and please consider subscribing, really helps me out. And I'll also provide some links to some of the tools that I'll be using today in the pinned chat below. If you decide to purchase some of the tools through these links, I will get a small commission, but it won't affect your price. So help me out if you feel inclined. Otherwise, jump in, let's get into it. All right, so here's the bike setup. We've got the bike suspended on a set of ratchet straps that I've attached to a ring that's mounted to the beam of the house. You could go over the beam or use a block and tackle, or maybe a nice sturdy like A-frame ladder. But basically what we need to do is get those ratchet straps hooked on down behind so that they're out of the way. And also we just want to make sure that those brake calipers aren't sort of hanging loose. Not essential, but preferable to have them supported while we're getting the work done on the fork legs. And also just think about how and where you're going to direct those straps so that they're not in the way when you're going to slide the legs up through the triple trees. Before we start putting everything back together, just make sure you've got the legs the right way around. And the easiest way to check this is just over here where the brake caliper bolts onto this piece here. There's a series of numbers, and at the end of the numbers there's an R on the right hand side leg and an L on the left hand side leg. And also, if you notice this pinch bolt here, the right hand side leg has got that pinch bolt, the left hand side doesn't. And that's always right hand side as you're sitting on the bike. So I've got a custom headlight on here. The principle is going to be the same for yours, and I've also just put one of these bolts in readiness just to secure that leg once we've got it positioned so that it doesn't slide back out. So you'll need your Allen key handy, and we're just going to slide that up in there, slide that bracket on, nice and easy up through there. Just being really careful. Up we go. Now because I've got shorter brake hoses, I've actually got to push the leg up a little bit. Just lowers that front end slightly. When we get to finalizing this, we'll make sure that that height is exactly the same. But we're just going to hand tighten this up just a little bit so that holds in place. And that's the one leg done. We'll adjust the light and get everything straightened up in a minute. I'm just going to repeat on the other side. Bracket for the headlight in place. We just want to get everything pretty much in place. We'll do our adjustments once we're a bit more settled. So just hand tight at this point, and that's the legs back in position. It's ready to rumble. Okay, so I've just started placing the bolts back into place. Everything's just going to be kind of placed at this point. But I just wanted to point out there's a difference between the bolts that are on the lower clamp to the upper clamp. On the lower clamp, the thread runs the whole way. That one there has got a slightly different thread set up. It's got a little bit of a part of the bolt that's not got thread on it. Great, so we're making some progress here. Legs are in, not fully tightened up yet. We're going to line them all up. And next thing I want to do is put that front wheel in. So before we put this front wheel back in, I just wanted to point out, really important to take note of the direction of travel arrow, so the wheel travels that way. So just really important that you note the direction of travel. And also on the where the axle comes through, there's actually a little spacer. Now I've got a Versys front end, but this is actually the same rim for the ER6N, the ER6F and the Versys. And there's a little spacer or a collar. And on the Versys, that collar is slightly narrower. So just making sure that that is actually in place. It hasn't fallen out when you pull the front axle out. So we're gonna roll that back in. And this is kind of why I've left everything a little bit loose, because at this point it can be a little bit fiddly. Those spaces can fall out while you're trying to line everything up. So just taking it nice and easy. Once it's all lined up, shouldn't be too much of a problem. Have your axle ready. So the thread is actually on the left hand side. We've got that axle lined up. The one side in first. You might want to get a buddy to help you at this point, if you have one around. I'm just going to use my feet. Alright, that's in. Right hand side's pretty easy. This one can get a little tricky. Just making sure it's all lined up. Put your hand underneath there, just support that front wheel. And then try not to push that collar out. If you've got it lined up, shouldn't be a problem. There she comes. And then we're just going to start turning that axle until it engages in that thread. That's a 14mm driver. Alright, so at this point we just want to get this axle in hand tight, so we can start thinking about tightening up the clamp bolts, putting the brake calipers back on, and then finally putting that mud guard back on and replacing the instrument panel. All good. Okay guys, just one more thing I thought I'd mention before I start putting everything back together and wrapping this video up. Just make sure that if you are making any adjustments on the fork legs here, just making sure that they're both the same on either side. I've had to raise this up a little bit just to accommodate for this shorter brake hose. I've taken this off the ER6N, and the travel on that bike front suspension's a little bit shorter, so the hose is a little bit shorter. But if you are going to make any adjustments like this, please be careful. It can change the way the bike handles just a little bit. You know, the angles, the rake, and the way the suspension behaves will be slightly different. So just test at low speeds when you do that. One thing I thought I'd mention, these specs for the bolts on the upper and the lower clamp are slightly different, so just make sure that you check that before you do it. Otherwise you might find yourself stripping the thread on this, and that's a real pain to have to fix that up. Okay guys, I just wanted to go over this in case you haven't used a torque wrench before. This is what they look like. You adjust your settings by turning this handle. I've preset this to the correct torque spec, and I've already torqued these up, but basically what happens is you keep tightening until the torque wrench clicks like that. And away we go. So that's nice and tight, ready to go. We'll work our way around, make sure all of the bolts are tightened up to spec. I've done another video on how to do the brakes, so I'm not going to cover that in this video. And just remember that your upper clamp bolts are a lower torque spec than the lower torque spec. It's a bit confusing. But just make sure you refer to your workshop manual that is specific to your bike before proceeding with this.